Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang coupe. This particular model finished in a super rare color. Well, it's tropical turquoise. So today we're going to explore this car and discuss exactly what she has to offer. And I think you'll be fully satisfied. Oh, looks like I didn't shut that door all the way. I'll be fully satisfied with the condition. And this is one lovely lady. So as you can see, the paint quality on this car is absolutely stunning. And that is not an exaggeration. We've had quite a few of these cars over the years. Probably the #1 selling classic car here at our dealership, AutoWorld of Conway. Especially when you get a car that's done as well as this car is. Not a frame off restoration, as Mustangs don't have frames, but you can see that she has been completely disassembled and reassembled. She is straight. 14-inch wheels, got power disc brakes. Power steering. Automatic transmission. Let's see if we can do this. Wow. Beautifully detailed engine bay. $289. Does have a 4-barrel carburetor. You see the power booster there, which has been upgraded. Also for the disc brakes. So it appears everything that is chrome or bright on this car has been replaced during the restoration. Still presents very, very fresh. See a couple, looks like I missed a bug scrape right there. Sweeper dash cluster there, speedometer. Everything does function as it's supposed to. Horn, wipers, turn signals, e-brake, which actually I just had that on. A close-up of this trim tag you can find on our website as well. You can decode that. Standard interior, vinyl, blue. It complements the car very well. Upgraded speakers in the back. Obviously, kicker was not available in '65. Nice headliner. You can see this aftermarket cruiser console, I believe they call that. And also we had the retro sound radio there. Just starting to sprinkle on me a little bit, but I think we can still accomplish what we set out to do. And a high level of detail everywhere I look on this car. Places that we readily that is this trunk area here. Again, very nice condition under the mat. The other nice thing I really like about this car, other than the color, which to me is stunning, is, whoops, the way she starts. So that functions. I'm not going to play with Bluetooth. Anyway. Oops. Camera went a little crazy on me. Yeah, we'll listen to this dual exhaust. The 5 lug wheels, 14-inch. The power steering valve a little loose there. Tighten that up. Sure enough. That's okay. No harm, no foul. What a beautifully detailed engine compartment. Entire car to me is just so clean. See if maybe I can get underneath here, give you a taste of what. Just what you would hope to see in a highly restored car. Beautiful. Let's see, let's do this. Let's take her for a ride. C4 automatic transmission. See the rain just starting. Where we've been 18 years. We have 2 locations. Actually, there's another incoming classic as well. Looks like a CJ5. Rush hour here, Highway 90, Conway, South Carolina. Miles an hour, you can see how well she tracks down the road. Conway 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, fully restored, ready to be enjoyed. Can you picture this in your driveway? I know that I sure could. So until next time, here, Auto World of Conway, good cars for good people.